Hey, so you are venturing into the world of Python, and let me tell you, it's a language with some awesome and nuanced features. One key concept that often baffles beginners is the scope of variables. Trust me, once you get a hang of it, your code will sing like a canary. First off, we are talking about two main types of variable scopes in Python, global and local. Picture a scene, you are in the heart of your code, surrounded by functions. Each of these functions is like its own microcosm, right? And just like in real life, what you do in one room stays in that room unless you decide to share. Let's say there's a variable x you've created, but here's the kicker, is x a globally recognized variable in Python, or just one that lives and dies in the function it was born in? That's what we call scope. So, if I say something along the lines of Python global underscore x is equal to 10 definite my underscore function, local underscore x is equal to 20 print hash, this knows about its local variable local underscore x only my underscore function print hash, this references the global underscore x and prints it out here. Global underscore x exists at the top level of the script, essentially in the global scope, and we can access it from anywhere, including inside our functions. However, local underscore x is playing in the sandbox of my underscore function. It's there, but not leaving until our function does. Now, it gets fuzzier when you throw in non-local variables into the mix. These are variables that are not global but still have a wider scope than local. In Python, non-local allows you to assign to a variable in the nearest enclosing scope. It's like an elusive cousin that comes and goes as it pleases. You'd typically use global in cases where you want variables to be accessible across functions. But here's the catch, overuse can lead to messy code, and underuse might mean losing functionality when you want to modify that variable elsewhere. That's why Python also embraces the famous non-local variable within a nested function like this, Python definite outer underscore function, x is equal to 20 definite inner underscore function, non-local x plus is equal to 5 print hash here, x is the one we've brought back from the inner function inner underscore function print outer underscore function. Moving on a tad deeper, let's not forget, scopes in Python are lexical, meaning it's not about where the declarations of variables are in your code but where they appear syntactically. So, remember, variables in a block are not seen outside, and non-local variables come with their own twist. Oh, and Python offers something called closures as well if you want to create an inner function that carries its whole scope with it, sort of like a personal assistant who remembers everything just for that conversation with you. But wait, there's more. Modules, another layer of scoping magic. Variables assigned in a module file are visible throughout the module unless shadowed by another variable from the same module. It's like having echoes in a room. Those echoes can come from different directions and are hard with their own persistence. Python my underscore constant is equal to 10 number. This is available throughout the module definite my underscore function. My underscore function underscore var is equal to 20 number. This exists only within my underscore function print hash. This can be accessed both inside my underscore function and outside it print hash. This will print the module variable as it's in the global module scope. So understanding variable scope is not just academic fun, it's practical too. It'll help you manage state, share state between different parts of your code, or protect your variables from unwanted side effects and keep your inner thoughts in one place when they're supposed to be internal. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. Scope rules are stringent, and Python doesn't play favorites. By learning to navigate scopes properly, you'll keep accidental overrides and conflicts at bay, which is essential for writing code that's reliable, maintainable, and can scale. Now, as we wrap up this little chat about Python scopes, remember this beautiful language is all about expressing ideas clearly and effectively. By understanding scopes, you are not just learning a rule, but also respecting the boundaries that keeps the code clean and orderly. So, keep experimenting, coding, and debugging, because understanding variable scope is a stepping stone to becoming not just a better Pythonista but a wizard in the making. Oh, and before I forget, check out Neeraj's channel ZZZ2Go. It's a treasure trove for Python enthusiasts like us. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. It will definitely fuel your Python passion further. I hope this dive into scopes gave you a little perspective. Happy coding!